Psalm 82. God presides in the great assembly. He judges among the gods. How long will you judge unjustly and show partiality to the wicked? Defend the weak, the poor, and the fatherless. Maintain the rights of the poor and oppressed. Rescue the weak and needy. Deliver them out of the hand of the wicked. They don't know, neither do they understand. They walk back and forth in darkness. All the foundations of the earth are shaken. I said, "You are gods. All of you are sons of the Most High. Nevertheless, you shall die like men, and fall like one of the rulers. Arise, God, judge the earth, for you inherit all of the nations."